This is NDTV, and you're watching Classics.
Hello and welcome to Walk the Talk. I am Shekhar Gupta and my guest today, somebody at whose command the whole world seems to be dancing. Choreographer, director, producer, Farah Khan. Welcome to Walk the Talk.
Shekhar, how are you?
But most of all, a woman in whose company there's no dull moment ever.
Okay, let's see that now. Welcome to Bombay. And I'm going to make you dance.
Well, I'll make you walk the talk. That's easier than you making me dance. And you try to teach me to dance, it'll crush your toes.
No, I'm sure you'll be pretty. You're looking pretty flexible and all.
But I have a flexible mind and heart.
We'll leave the church and we'll go in a
yeah, but you know,
corner.
it's a famous church. You know, it's one of Bombay's oldest churches.
Yeah, Mount Mary and Amar Akbar Anthony was shot here. You know the scene where Amitabh Bachchan sees Parveen Babi for the first time.
Right.
And he says, "Mere while gantiyan baj rahi hain."
It's one of the most memorable scenes in history of Indian cinema. But you know, one more reason we chose this place, apart from the good fortune it might bring on you and me, is that we took a global positioning system, a GPS and a compass, and we figured this was exactly in the middle of where your closest friends live. You know, Shah Rukh Khan on this side, Salman Khan there,
Shah Rukh down, Salman
Subhash Ghai, they are higher than everybody else.
Mehboob Studio right here.
So right in the middle. This is the epicenter of all activity.
Absolutely. Only I live in Juhu, far away from here.
Well, I think those who become successful now move to Juhu.
I've always stayed there, so.
But you know, how do you acquire this remarkable personality? You must be the only human being friends with both Shah Rukh and Salman. I can't even find many people in the media who are on talking terms with both.
That's not true. I know Salman since childhood. He's my childhood friend. And Shah Rukh I know from the last 13 years, and he's, I think, my cosmic brother.
And you were not a child then?
No, no. When I joined movies, Shah Rukh and me started our first movie together. And Shah Rukh is like my father figure, and we have some cosmic connection. And
he's happy with that?
He's very happy with that, I think.
I think you call him daddy sometimes.
I've given him promotion from brother figure to father. But they're both extremely, extremely good-hearted people. And this is all, whatever confusion had been caused.
In diplomacy, there's a term called zero-sum game. You know, they used to say America's relationship with India and Pakistan cannot be a zero-sum game, which means if you're friends with one, you can't be friends with the other.
I think I'm very happily...
This is the oldest zero-sum game in Hindi cinema. Well, you can't be friends with Shah Rukh if you're friends with Salman.
I'm very, very dear friends with Shah Rukh and very dear friends with Salman. I mean, I'm making a movie for Shah Rukh, with Shah Rukh, and my husband, Shirish Kundar, making a movie with Salman. Now, can't get friendlier than that. And I want to say they both absolutely love each other, Shah Rukh and Salman. They only have nice things to say about each other, behind each other's back. And I'm really, the best wedding present I got was that after 3 years, they both got together at my Sangeet party. So I think that was,
that was like a filmy scene. Huh?
Very filmy. I said, Karan Arjun are reuniting now. That was great. It was good fun. Yes.
And how did they relate to each other?
They also know each other. I mean, when Shah Rukh first came into movies, came to Bombay and didn't know anybody, Salman's family and Salman really looked after him. And he would go to their house and stay over and play chess and eat dinner. So I think he really has fond memories. And I've never heard either of them speak badly about each other. At least not in front of me.
But this is odd. They say great things about each other behind each other's back.
I think that's the best thing to do.
And yet there is this tension. But why the tension?
I think it's all, most of it is media created.
Oops.
Most of it is, people like, and also of course, there were other problems. Is this interview about Shah Rukh and Salman
it's about you and your world and your friends.
Okay. No, I'm really good friends with both of them, of course.
You are Bollywood's most favorite gangster in the sense that you run the most successful gang, the friendliest, the most fun gang.
No, see, I'll tell you what happens is, we are like-minded people. Whether it's Shah Rukh and me, or Karan Johar, or Manish Malhotra, or Farhan Akhtar. We love cinema, we love film. So we have it's like you find friends that you have something in common with. I can't really be friends with best friends with an architect who's making buildings because I won't have anything to discuss with him. But with these people, we are like-minded.
You can almost never be friends with an architect who's building your building.
Yo, my architect's going to kill me now. No, I'm very good friends with him. No, but you would find, I mean, even in your field, you would find like-minded people to discuss what you're passionate about.
Journalists rarely make friends with journalists.
Well, how sad is that?